Hey you guys, what's up? Today I'm back with another PR haul for you guys. I'm going to be showing y'all a bunch of new product launches. I'm really excited about today's video because there are some really exciting new makeup products that are coming out. So before we get into all of the PR packages, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. I'll have a link for it in my description box below, and then I'll have the video up here in the cards if you guys want to go and see all of the prizes. Also, I do a lot of giveaways on my Instagram page, so if you guys don't follow me on there, make sure to go and check out my Instagram so you guys don't miss out on any of those giveaways. And also, I have a new video up on this look if you guys want to see it. Today's post notification shout out goes to Shannon. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first package I have to share with you guys is from Urban Decay. You guys know that I always am like really excited whenever I get PR packages from them. They recently came out with a brand new scent of their Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which you guys know I do love that setting spray. I was having some issues with my old like travel size one where it kind of like sprayed out kind of splotchy, but I don't have any issues like that with like the bigger versions. So here is what the inside looks like. So I'm loving the packaging. I think it's so cute. So this is their All Nighter setting spray. It is their summer solstice scent. So they sent the full size and then the travel size, which I'll probably put the small one in a giveaway just because I don't really need both of them. But I thought it was really nice that they included a travel size as well. So here is what the bottle looks like. I'm like obsessed. I think it looks so pretty. I really love like the blue and purple. It is kind of like dark for summertime, but I really think it looks nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face. So this one does spray out pretty nicely. It is a really like finely misting spray. The scent is not too much different to me than the regular setting spray. I can definitely tell that it is scented though. The scent definitely reminds me of summer for sure. So yeah, I thought this was a really exciting launch. A big thank you to Urban Decay for sending these over to me. So next up, I have my first package here from Lorac. They have a brand new like rainbow eyeshadow palette, and they sent it in this really cute box. So here is what the inside of the box looks like. So we have in here their Neon Lights Pro eyeshadow palette. Actually, Lorac was like the first brand that I ever purchased like a high-end eyeshadow palette from besides like Urban Decay. I think Urban Decay Naked was one of my first palettes as well. So here is what the actual like palette looks like. This is the outer packaging. This is their Neon Lights Pro Pressed Pigments palette. So there are 10 shades in this eyeshadow palette. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. So the actual palette has the same packaging as the outer like carton, and then here are all of these shades. I cannot wait to create looks with this. I'm really excited about it. I like really want to create like a look with these 3 shades right here, and then the blue looks really pretty as well. So this is a really exciting launch from Lorac. I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much to Lorac for sending this over. So the last PR package I have to show you guys is from ColourPop, and they sent over this package right here. This is their California Love collection that they sent over. If you guys have not already seen my video on this entire collection, make sure to check it out. I'll have a card up here on the screen. It is the look that I'm wearing right now. If you guys want to see the tutorial, just click on the card up here. So the first thing in this collection is the California Love eyeshadow palette. I'm really obsessed with the packaging. I think it's so pretty. Here are what all of these shades look like in this palette. These shades are stunning. I feel like these are the perfect kind of like rustic, like warm shades for the summertime. I'm really excited to keep using this palette. And then they also came out with new mascara. So there are 2 new versions of their BFF mascara. The first one is the Lover's Coral Mascara. I'm wearing it on my bottom lashes right now. And then we also have the shade Brownie Points, which is like a deep dark brown. I'm really excited about that one as well. Here are what the actual mascaras look like. I will open them up to show you guys. They have a nice big fluffy wand. This is the coral shade. And then we have the dark brown shade, which I'm really excited to wear just like when I want more natural looking lashes if I'm like doing like a no makeup look. And then the last thing in this collection are are these new ultra blotted lips. There are 5 shades of these. Here are what all of the shades look like. I think these are like the perfect shades for the summertime. I'm wearing this one right here on my lips right now. I really like the formula of these. They dry down like super quick and they feel lightweight on the lips. I feel like these are like the perfect kind of like lip product for the summertime. So thank you so much to ColourPop for sending me over this collection. I'm so excited about it. I'll have some mini tutorials using these products on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go and check out my Instagram page. I do have a coupon code with ColourPop. It is 5Melinda. It's not like an affiliate coupon code or anything. I don't earn commission if you guys use it, but you will get $5 off your order at ColourPop.com if you guys do use it. So those are all of the PR packages that I've received recently. I just wanted to do like a quick video and show you guys all of the new products. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. I'll have it linked in my description box below. And then I'm also going to have links to all of these products there as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.